Hey guys, here we are on the beautiful Manasquan River. I'm Pete Soma here at MarineMax and Brick. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough on the Sea Ray 370 Sundancer outboard. Right now I'm up in the bow. We're going to start up here and work our way back. First thing, beautiful storage for our windlass anchor. We do have controls in there as well. Behind me, we do have a nicely appointed spotlight. And if you're doing some night boating, this is the stone color interior. You're going to see this throughout the entire boat with sea deck to match. We have our triple wide seating up here with armrests and nicely appointed backrest. Let's go take a look in the cockpit. We have our glass door here, which we can close off. Again, if it's a little bit of a colder day, really making this a Four Seasons boat. All right guys, here at the helm on the 37, as you can see right away, we have plenty of natural light coming through, no blind spots anywhere. We have a sunroof above. Right now Dave is at the helm. He's sitting on our double wide captain's chair with bolster. We have our Fusion stereo remote, all of our halo switching. This is going to be that access for your spotlight. 2 Simrad displays. A lot of the brains of the boat is going to be right in this screen right here, or you can flop it over there. And also with the twin 600s, we have our joystick, making docking super easy. Let's go down and check downstairs before we go in the aft. Here we are down in the V berth of the 37. Again, plenty of natural light coming through, plenty of head clearance. In this seating arrangement, we can actually pivot it into one of our sleeping areas with the hit of a button. That will go up. You can tuck this away a little bit, and again, giving you plenty of spots to sleep. On our port side, we're gonna have our microwave, our sink, refrigerator, and again, storage pretty much everywhere. Let's take a look at the head compartment. Here in our head compartment, we have a full separate stand-up shower, our sink, and toilet. Here in our aft sleeping area, nice U-shaped seating. We can actually watch TV up here, and we also have another one up there in the V berth. But we do have a filler cushion that'll go right here, again, just giving you another spot to sleep on the 37 Sundancer. Let's go check out the rest of the cockpit. Back in the cockpit, stone color interior continuing throughout the boat with that sea deck. More natural light popping through. We do have an extended sunshade that'll go out and cover this back seating area. On our port side wet bar, we're gonna have a grill, a sink, a refrigerator, and more storage drawers here. Let's go take a look at the swim platform. Here on the swim platform, I did want to highlight one of my favorite features, this 3-position seat. You can fold it down like so, making a little sun pad, and you can shoot it up this way, looking out to the water. On the swim platform, again, we have our white twin 600s. Right now, Dave has it in skyhook mode, holding us in position. Again, this is a truly incredible boat. All right, guys, again, Pete Soma here at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. If you want to see this boat in person, please feel free to come in. I'll see you on the water.